Hello everyone, welcome for another video tutorial on IT Professional Elective 2, which is Data Scalability and Analytics using Google Sheet. So in this tutorial, we will discuss and demonstrate the basic functions in statistics like the mean, median, mode, mean, and max. Okay. So as you can see in the screen, we have here a sample data containing a series of subjects that has an equivalent grades. Okay, so we will try to compute the mean, median, mode, mean, and max. Okay, so let's start in the mean function. So the mean function is actually the computation of the average of series of numbers. So the idea behind about the average is that getting the total of series of numbers, and then we divide it by how many items. Okay, so in this case there are 7 subjects. Okay, so we have to total all grades and then divided by 7. So basically we can do that manually by specifying the exact cell addresses. However, in Google Sheet or even in Microsoft Excel, there's a better way or easiest way to compute the average, okay, by the keyword average. So to compute the mean or the average for the series of grades, we just specify equal here and then type average, and then so the parameters here is actually the range of series of numbers. So start from 83 here up to 89. So the cell address is B1, which is 83, and B7, which is 89. So B1, okay, and then colon B7, and then close parenthesis, then enter. So that's it, how to compute the mean or the average of that series of grades. Okay, and as an alternative way to do that, actually we type it hard-coded by specifying exactly the cell address. You can do it like this way by by typing equal, then average, and then open parenthesis, then you highlight start from the first grade or the first value, and then you hold or drag up to the last value or grade, and then close parenthesis, then enter. So that's it, how to get the mean or average. Now let us now discuss about median. Median function is actually in statistic, it's just a number at the middle of set. So we have here 7 numbers from set of grades, and what is the median or the center number here, okay, or the mid number here. So actually you can do it, you can perform or you can compute it in an ordered set, or you can also do it in a ordered set. So for example, let us um, arrange these numbers or grades into ascending order. Okay, so we will highlight this one, and then we copy and then put it here, then we paste, and then we will try to sort out this set of grades from, we will choose here from A to Z. Okay, sort range by column C, A to Z, and then here we know that from this sorted, so this is unsorted, so this is sorted ascending. So we know here that the mid number is 85. Okay, 85. So to do that exactly, to determine exactly the mid number is using the median function. Okay, so equal, and then type median, then open parenthesis, and then the range, start from there up to there, and then close parenthesis, then enter. So the median number or the mid number is 85. Okay, it's easy to identify series of numbers if it is an odd number. Okay, odd number. So when we say odd, uh, so 1, 3, 7, 9, and so on. So we have here 7 grades or 7 numbers. So we can determine exactly the mid number is 85. What about if it is 6 only, 6 grades? So that is even. So now in computing the median only for 6 grades here, so to determine the median is actually the idea of getting these two center numbers here, then you total and divided by 2. So that would be the median number. Okay, so let's take an example. So here, to get the median by 6 numbers or 6 values or grades here, you type equal median, then open parenthesis, then the range is from there up 83 up to 88, so 6, which is even number. So then close parenthesis, and then there 84.5. So how's that possible? Because of this 84 and 85, you total it divided by 2. Let us see. So equal, so 84, let us compute manually to check if it is true. 84 plus 85, and then divided by 2. So that's it, 84.5, which is exactly displayed by median computation a while ago. Okay, so a while back there are 7 grades, so 89, right? 89. So it's easy to identify what is the mid number because it is an odd number, so it is 85. So to determine exactly, so type equal median, then open parenthesis, then the range, and then close parenthesis, then enter. So that is the median number, so 85. So next is, what about the mode function? The mode function is to determine the common values in the series of numbers, or duplicated numbers or values in that series of numbers. Okay, so as you observe in our sample data or grades here, okay, actually we have sorted out here. Okay, we have sorted out here. So we have here 83, 83, 84, 85, 86, 88, 89. So we notice that there are 2 duplicated numbers, okay? 83. So that will be the answer of mode. Okay, but actually we have to know really what is the result by using mode, by typing equal, then mode, then open parenthesis, and then specify the range from B1 to B7, then close parenthesis, then enter. So the mode, or the commonly or common value there, or duplicated grades here or number, is 83, which is correct. Okay, I'll just delete this one to not confuse you. Okay, so I'll just recompute this median. So median, then highlight the numbers, then close. Okay, so 85. So what about mean? Okay, the mean is a function to determine the smallest value in that series of numbers. So the minimum value. Okay, So here, it's easy to identify what is the minimum value. It's actually 83. Okay, but to know exactly using the mean function, you just type equal and then mean, then open parentheses, and then highlight the range, okay, from 83 to 89, then close parentheses, then enter. So the minimum value or grade is 83. Okay. Next is max function. The max function is to determine the largest value of series of numbers. So we know here, we observe that 89 is the largest, but to do it correctly using max, you type equal and then type max and then open parentheses, and then you highlight the range, start from 83 to 89, and then close parentheses, and then enter. So the max value or max grade is 89. Okay, so that is the basic functions in statistics: the mean, the median, mode, mean, and max, which is actually very useful when you are doing research or doing simple statistics. Okay, so to summarize that function, so the mean is actually equivalent to average, which get the total of all numbers then divided by how many items. So mean is the function for mean is average keyword. So the median is a function to determine the mid or the center number of series of numbers. So next is the mode, is the to determine the duplicated number, okay, or numbers from that series of numbers or from the given set. Okay. Next is the mean, is to determine the minimum value or the smallest value from the given set, and the max is a function to determine the largest number from given set. So that's it about the basic functions in statistics using Google Sheet. Okay, so if you have questions, feel free to make comment below on our YouTube, and I would be glad to answer it. So until next time, for our next video in our subject. Okay, so be safe and have a nice day.